Hello and welcome everyone.
We know that iTunes is essential to organize our music and video, play or download unlimited songs, movies, TV shows, audiobooks, and more in the iTunes Store. It is also equally important to set up your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. We can back up and recover our iDevices, and most importantly, we can also solve the problem like the iPhone is disabled connect to iTunes error. So in this video, you will learn to download and install the latest version of iTunes on your Windows 11.
To download iTunes, first, open Google Chrome, or you can use any internet browser. Then search for iTunes. In the search result, you can find iTunes' official website, www.apple.com. Go through the link. If you are using Windows and want to download iTunes from Microsoft Store, then you can click here. If you are looking for another version, then scroll down, and from here, if you are a Mac user or if you have a Mac PC, then click on macOS. Or if you have a Windows PC, then click on Windows to download iTunes. Currently, I am using Windows, so I will click on Windows. Now, for Windows users, you can choose either 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. My OS is 64-bit, so I will choose Download iTunes for Windows Now 64-bit button. It will not take more than a minute to download. After the download is completed, open it to install. Now from this welcome screen, you can see you are installing the latest and 64-bit iTunes on your system. Click on Next to continue the installation. If you want, you can choose the language, and also can change the location of installation. And then click on Install. Now the installation begins and will take a few minutes to complete. After completing, click on Finish. For the first time, if you open iTunes, you must agree with the license agreement to use iTunes. Now, you are ready to use iTunes. If you have any difficulties on download and installing, then comment below. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.